Saiful Islam. Welcome back again. Today we will discuss about the another program using the control flow statement. The name of program is we'll take a input value, then we'll check this value is odd or even. Okay, the problem will like this. The write a program, input a value, then check the value is odd or even. Okay, let's get started. First of all, we have to need defined a value. A variable that is the value, and print enter a value, then scanf the variable v. Now we'll check this input is odd or even. How we will check? We'll use the if condition. The if the variable name is v, and we'll use the modulus, and we'll use 2 equal to 0. If we modulus the v, if the value equal to is the divided, the last result equal to is 0, then it will be even. Then it will print the value is the value percent d value is even. The value is v. Else will print the value percent d is odd. Okay, let's check. Now click on run, build and run. Okay, and input a value. I press the 8, enter. The value 8 is even. Okay, and again if I enter the value is 7, the value 7 is odd. That's it. Okay, thank you very much.